Okay, so today we practice writing task 1, especially describing maps. Okay. Okay, now let's look at these two pictures. So what are they? What are these two pictures? Any ideas?
It's a map.
A map or two maps?
Yeah, a two map.
Okay. Okay, two maps. Okay, and here is the question that asks you. Okay, Ngọc, yeah, can you read aloud the question? The plans. Yeah, we're relevant. Okay, great. Yeah, thank you. Okay, now let's look at the first sentence. What does the first sentence in bold tell you? What did we learn from the first sentence? Me? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So for the first sentence in bold,
Yes.
and what does it tell you?
The plan show a sign is the same. Can you zoom in it because it's a lot of part? Yes.
Okay, me. So what does the first sentence tell you?
It tells the plan is a plan. So show a science park in 2008 and the same science park today.
Okay, great. And the second question, yeah. Do the plans show two different areas or the same area at two different times? Times, And now let's look at the second sentence. What three things did the second sentence remind you to do? And me?
Selecting, reporting the main feature and make comparison.
Okay, first we need to select main features.
Yes.
Report them and then make comparisons. Okay, so the point is we need to find out the main features, the things that are so noticeable, obvious. And then we try to report. Report means you write, you talk, not talk, you write about them. Okay? And then also make some comparisons. Yeah, relevant. Okay. Okay, for the next exercise, understanding the data. They ask you to read and then mark the sentence which are correct, and if incorrect, you cross. And explain why the incorrect statements are wrong and also correct them. Okay, Ngọc, yeah, you will do number 1, 3, 5, and 7. And me, you will do number 2, 4, 6, and 8. Hold on a bit. Me, I will send you the PDF file. Okay, now let's check together. Okay, Ngọc, yeah, can you read aloud number 1? the graph show that since 2008, the number of rows has been increased. Sorry, you mean it's incorrect. Okay, so why is incorrect? Can you correct it? In 2008, there are two rows and there are two rows. Okay, already in 2008, right? So already in the past. So there are two rows or there were. Yeah, there were two rows. Sorry, what do you mean by it's two rows? You mean there are also two rows? Okay, so they are the same? Okay, great. So how can you correct this one? We can say the number of rows has been increased, huh? So how can we change? How can we correct it? Rows. Okay, has remained, huh? Because here they mention since. So you have to use present perfect. Okay, now so again, the number of rows has remained. Yeah, had remained unchanged. Huh? Changed. Okay, next one, yeah, Mia. Number two, Mia, can you read out loud number two and then say whether it's correct or incorrect? If it's not correct, yeah, try to correct them. Yeah, try to correct.
There is now one additional building in the science park aside from station. This is incorrect.
Why is incorrect?
Because is it correct? Because in front of the station we have the innovation center in the science park now, but in the science park in 2008 we only have the IT center, so the innovation center is replaced, so it is a new one.
No one additional building in the science park aside from. Okay, yeah, great. But by the way, me, yeah, additional, not additional. Huh? We have the verb, we pronounce the verb add, but here we have an adjective, additional. Again, me, additional.
Additional.
Okay.
Additional.
Okay, next one, number three, Ngọc. Yeah, please read out loud number three. Natural changes and related to the science part in period of the Sorry, you mean correct? Incorrect? Okay, so why is incorrect? It is because it's so that it's but in that years I know what I mean. Okay, so it means from 2008 until now, huh? To now, yeah, there have been a lot of changes. Not in 2008. It means from 2008 to now, to present. So number three, true is correct. Yeah. Okay, so for since, that's why they use present perfect. They want to emphasize from that year until now. So yeah, for number three is correct. Next one, number 4, me. Reception.
Reception is now called office.
Offices.
Offices.
Okay, so is it correct or incorrect?
Yes, this is correct. Because in the science part today is it no.
Yeah,
that's
sure.
That is not incorrect because the reception is replaced by the university hub.
Yeah, it's now a university hub. Okay, so it's not correct. Okay, next one, number 5. There has been no change in the position of the railway line. Incorrect. Incorrect. This is because there is now a station on the railway line. Okay, but actually they want to emphasize just the position in position like this. Yeah. We don't really change the position. Like we change the railway to another direction like that. So yeah, I know what you mean, but here they want to emphasize the position of railway line. So actually, it's still correct. But there's a new thing on the railway line. Okay, this one, number 6. No, sorry, me. The area of grassland.
The area of the grassland has expanded significantly. That is incorrect.
Okay, how can you correct it?
That has diminished.
Yeah. Has been reduced, has decreased.
Yes.
Or has minimized. But you use diminish.
Yes.
Diminish. 7. Yeah. There is now more space devoted to cybersecurity than in correct. Yeah, good, huh? Really good sentence to show comparisons. Yeah. Okay, great. And number 8, yeah, me.
The plans show the scene 2008 psychopaths has been added. That is correct. Because in the old plans, in the old park, we couldn't see the psychopath. But in the science park today, we can see we can see it had two psychopaths.
Actually, 3, huh?
3. Yes.
3. Great. Yeah, thanks for sharing. Okay, next one. Now let's move on to the next page. 46. Huh? Yeah, 46. Here, writing a clear summary. Okay. Okay, now we have a sample to describe those two maps. And now you have to try to fill in the gaps with the A, B, C, D, E, F. Huh? Okay, Ngọc, yeah, you will do number 1 to number 3. And then me, you will do from number 4 to number 6. Okay, 2 minutes for you. Okay, finish. Yeah, Ngọc, huh? Number 1. Yeah, please read the whole sentence. The most striking alteration.
The most striking alteration has been to the northern of the area where a research and development plot has been constructed on the question.
Yeah, keep going until number 3. Yeah, keep going. Yeah, keep reading.
So this is noticeable that they are covered by approximately the same. Two buildings have been expanded. Most obviously is the cyber security business, which has most people in some.
Okay, great. Yeah, good job. Next one, Mia, at the. Yeah, Mia, please do number 4, 5, 6, and also read out loud for number 4, 5, and 6. My ơi, dạ, number 4 hả? Number 4, My điền vào gì đây? Ủa? My chưa làm hả? Ngọc rồi làm tiếp number 4, 5, 6. Okay, great. Yeah. Help me, huh? At the.
That's what rates have been used. A train station and been added on the rest now just opposite the entrance. The cycling lanes has also been featured. Two buildings have been given different names. The old reception box is now called in the University Hills, and the IT center has been renamed the Innovation Center. Taken as a whole, the science are as
Okay, great. Okay, me. So for number 4, 5, 6, do you agree with Ngom that number 4 we feel in same, number 5 also, and number 6 whole?
Không để ý cô này. Em tưởng cô nghe thôi.
Do lúc này em quên unmute nên cô không nghe. Ok. Dạ thì lúc này thì là Ngọc có giúp em là Ngọc điền vào number 4 same, number 5 also, number 6 whole. Okay, me. So do you agree with Ngom? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, great. Good job. Okay, after we fill in the gaps, now please read it again and try to find the overview. Try to find the overview and also try to find the ways the writer has grouped together the changes. Yeah. Okay, did you find out the overview sentence yet? Maybe usually the overview sentence would be after the introduction or at the end of the essay. So, yeah, okay, for this case, they put the writer put the overview sentence at the end of the essay. Okay, great. It's not a big deal, but now we have to find out the ways the writer has grouped together the changes. That's more important. Okay, let's see. Okay, 2 minutes for you, to read the example again, especially the body, to find out the ways the writer has grouped together the changes. Okay, me. So after 2 minutes, did you find out the ways the writer has grouped the changes? So what do you think?
To show the changes, scientists use some words like the most striking.
It's not all about the languages, about the order, how the writers grouped changes. Tới đây mình xem thử cách người ta kiểu là arrange, người ta sắp xếp những cái thay đổi này như thế nào hả? Nó chứ không phải là về cái ngôn ngữ đâu ha.
It follows in the first in the northern part.
And then and then they don't really mention, huh? The writer didn't mention the other directions, actually. Okay, how about you, Ngom? Yeah, how do you think? How did the writer group the changes? Okay, now first let's find out, huh? Okay, me, yeah, please tell me the first change the writer mentioned.
The first change the writer mentioned is about the northern part of area where research and development blocks have been constructed on the grassland.
Okay, so it's more about the research development block.
Yes.
Has been constructed. Okay, the second change, Okay, the third change, me.
The third change about the transport arrangements.
Yeah, but actually, that sentence is like the main idea, and then the writer introduced more. Okay, arrangement, but okay, how about the change? The first change for transport arrangement.
The amount of space for cars.
Okay, so space for cars.
Yes.
For cars. Okay, what else? Me for transport arrangements.
Another is a bus stop.
Okay, bus stop.
Yes.
Actually, public transport, huh? Public transport links. Yeah, okay, train station and a bus stop.
Yes.
Okay, how about the next one? No. Sorry, 2 buildings have been given different names. Is a reception is center. Okay, even though it's spelled TRE, but we don't pronounce center. Center. Yeah. Okay, in American English we spell like this, TER. But then in British English, yeah, we spell TRE, but we pronounce the same, center. Okay, so 2 buildings have been Yeah, given different names, huh? That is reception block and IT center. Okay, now let's look at all the changes. Let's see how the writer how has the writer grouped the changes. Any idea? Okay, like for number 3, it's obvious that the writer grouped according to the same category, transport, cars, public transport, bus station, bus stop, and train station. How about number 1, 2? What's the similarities? What do you think? Any idea? For number 1 and 2? Okay, actually, okay, first they mentioned the research and development plot has been constructed, and then here we have our cyber security unit has been has doubled in size. So okay, it's a new one or the same, but now it was expanded, has been expanded. But for the final, yeah, they have the same features, that is given different names. So this one is color introduced new one, but here, yeah, still the same. We just change the name to try to find the similarities to group it. Okay, now let's look at the overview sentence again. Okay, Ngọc, yeah, can you read aloud the overview sentence, the final sentence? Okay, has undergone, has experienced, yeah, has witnessed, has seen a number of major. Instead of saying main, we have major alterations. Alterations is like developments. Okay, but for the overview, you can write a sentence like this. Yeah, undergo a number of major alterations, but you can also mention alteration about what? Like alteration about facilities, or alterations about transport, or something. Okay, so from the changes, okay, so can you summarize? Can you generalize the major alterations that happen in the science park? Tức là nếu mà overview mình chỉ nói chung chung là major alterations cũng tạm được, nhưng mình có thể là chưa cụ thể hơn một chút, là chưa thay vì mình chỉ nói major alterations, mình có thể đề cập thêm ví dụ như là alteration là về cái mạng nào á, ví dụ shopping facilities, entertainment facilities hay là cái gì này. Ok, rồi từ những cái lúc nãy changes mọi người liệt kê đó, bây giờ mình liệt kê lại, mình đưa vào lại cho cái phần overview. Okay, has undergone a number of major alteration. Alteration về gì đây? Mọi người học alteration, những cái sự phát triển về cái mặt nào không? Ví dụ number 3 người ta đề cập tới rất là rõ là gì ạ? Transport, transport facilities. What else? Rồi thế bây giờ mình gom lại cho cái phần là research and development block, cyber security unit, hay là bên này là liên quan tới là gì ạ? Innovation center, university hub. Any idea me?
Ôi em không hiểu cô ạ.
Dạ thì tất cả đây mình có thêm đấy chị, mình có thêm cái mới đấy chị, research and development block. Dạ. Cái đó vẫn cũ nhỉ. Rồi mình có hai cái được tên thành là University Hub và là Innovation Center. Thì mình thấy điểm chung của những cái này là chỉ ở giữa Research and Development Block và là Innovation Center. Thế là đương nhiên là bọn là facilities, nhưng mà facilities này về cái gì? Sorry? Education, educational. Okay, yeah, or maybe like because it's more about the science park, so we can say scientific facilities. Yeah, educational, yeah, facilities. Yeah. Or you can say because those facilities focus on science, right? Research and development, innovation centers. So science, yeah. Or you can say science-related facilities, science-based facilities. Great. Yeah. Ok, rồi thêm một cái nữa là mình cũng để ý về cái là tenses. Thì hả? Rồi mẹ đã đọc chị lại nào thì mẹ được thấy là cái bài này người ta dùng thì nào là chính đây. Thì đương nhiên là đối với cái phần là introduction thì mình dùng là hiện tại đơn rồi hết. Tức là từ phần thân cho tới phần là từ phần thân ngang cái đó là the most striking alteration cho tới là câu cuối cùng Science Park has undergone. Mọi người thấy người ta dùng thì nào đây? Yeah, present perfect. Good. Về đây mình có hai mốc rõ ràng chỉ ở 2008 và là today hả? Khi nào có cái mốc today nếu mà mọi người chỉ sử dụng hiện tại đứng thì uổng quá. Mình nên sử dụng là present perfect hiện tại hoàn thành nhé. Để mình nhận mà nó chở kết quả còn ở hiện tại nhé. Nó kéo dài từ trong quá khứ cho tới hiện tại đấy, ta sẽ tốt hơn. Ok, great. Rồi bây giờ là đầu tiên mọi người cùng practice mình biết cái phần introduction và overview cho cái bài sau đây ha. Oops. Rồi mọi người đồng một vào. Okay. Okay, so of course, for number one, you have to paraphrase the question. Yeah, the plan below show a school in 1985 and the school now. Okay, and also for the for the overview. Okay, let's see. How can we summarize? Of course, we can say, yeah, the school has undergone a number of major alterations. But what does it mean by alterations? What alterations we can mention here? Okay, now let's look at the map. The maps one more time. Okay, first, just find out what has changed now. What has changed now? Yeah, what has changed now? Just look at okay, from top to bottom or from left to right. Okay. Okay, for example, we have more trees. Now there are more trees. Okay, anything else you notice from the maps?
Is changed from
Even the shape and also the size, the size of the car park. Okay, what else?
small street for classroom.
Yeah. There are more classroom. Me, what else? Oops. What else did you notice? We have car park. More space for classroom. We couldn't hear you, me. Yeah, any more changes? Did you notice me? Okay, Ngọc, yeah, keep going. Yeah, maybe the internet connection. Field, playing field. But then we have two more buildings. Pool, we have a new pool and we have a fitness center. So what are they about? For sports and sports facilities. Yeah, sports facilities, more space for classrooms. It's more it's greener because there are more trees here. And also let's look at the school population, the number of school students. Okay, in 1985, there were 1,500 students. But now there are 2,300 students. So what happened to the number of students? Yeah, okay, it's also a good point that you need to mention in your overview, huh? Okay, so for the overview, yeah, we mentioned, of course, the school has undergone major alterations, but major alterations regarding what? Yeah, like as you mentioned, classroom, sports facilities, and yeah, greenery space. Yeah, and also the number of students and what happened, what changes in school or population. Okay, yeah. Now let's write down uh, the introduction and the overview. Okay, me, I will send you the link of the picture so that you can look more closely. Okay, everyone, now let's move on to, not sure. Okay, page 48. Page 48. Okay, here are some vocabs, some verbs that you can use to describe in the body. Okay, they already put into different categories: expanding, growing, making, adding, converting, developing, making less, stating the same. Huh? Okay, okay, for growing, Ngọc, yeah, you will find some verbs to describe growing, huh? And me, making, huh? Oh, I forgot to tell you. Try to find the verbs from exercise 5, huh? To put here. And then ending, ngom, or converting, me, developing, ngom, or making less, me, and stay the same, ngọc, huh? Okay, for some verbs, they may appear in different categories. Đôi khi một vài động từ là nó lại có nhiều ô khác nhau. Okay, so 5 minutes for you to fill in the mind maps. Okay, now let's do together, huh? Okay, the second one we have growing. Okay, Ngọc, okay, what verb do you find for growing? Now just share what verb did you find? Yeah. Sorry? Build? No, not really build. We put build in another one. What else? No. Improve for another one as well. Okay, actually, these three verbs are mentioned in the sample, actually, for grow, growing. Yeah, like when they describe the cyber security unit. Yeah, double because growing, grow more. Yeah, grow from the size to bigger size. And also before the cyber security unit, we had also another verb. Yeah, expand. Okay. And also synonym for grow. Yeah, when they mention public transport links, what happened to public transport links? Yeah, increase. Okay, next one, making me create new things. Making.
Constructed.
Yeah, construct. Yeah, good. What else?
Build.
Yeah, build. Great. Next one we have added. Add new things.
Yeah.
Okay, Ngọc hả? Adding. Okay, for adding we have okay 4 verbs for adding, and we try to find from the sample and some verbs in exercise 5. Of course, we have add. What else? They also mention, okay, let's look at the sentence to describe a cycling lane. Cycling lane. We have? Yeah, introduced. Introduce also means add ER. Next one. Okay, now let's find out 2 more verbs from exercise number 5. Yeah, to fill in. Sorry, transfer? No, transfer for another. No, grow for another category. It begins with letter L and W. We have widen, widen and lengthen. Yeah, lúc này là nhắc đó, tức là vẫn có động từ lặp lại một đường á, nên nó sẽ thuộc nhiều ô. Next one, Mia converting. Okay, me converting, yeah.
We have Twins.
Not really. Change for another one. Change would be in develop.
Transform.
Oh. Oh, you mean transfer?
Yes.
Okay, sorry. Change is here, huh? Converting. Sorry. And one more for converting.
Turn. 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 Turn.
What's that?
Turn.
You mean ALTER?
No.
Huh?
I don't mention about Arthur. I want to say the turn.
Turn?
Yes. Like this. Is it right?
No. Not really. Yeah, actually, as Ngọc already mentioned, on tour. Huh? Yeah, not on. Alternative is the noun or an adjective. Here we have the verb on tour in exercise 5. On tour, huh? Okay, next one, Ngọc, yeah, for developing. Yeah, make better. Good, yeah, improve and yeah, grow, huh? Good. Oh, a lot for making less. Huh? Okay, me, yeah, making less.
Reduce.
Yeah, sure, reduce, huh? What else?
Narrow.
Hả?
Narrow.
Ý là mình tìm trong bài á, tức là cái bài mẫu ở trang 47 bởi thêm là bài ở bài số 5 này ha, trang 18 này.
Decline.
Yeah, decline. Okay.
Shrink. Shrink.
Yeah, shrink. Like your clothes after you wash with warm or hot water, it became smaller, shrink. Co lại. Yeah. Next one, me.
Decrease.
Yeah, decrease.
Decrease.
Okay.
Drop.
Yeah, drop and begins with letter C in the sample. Yeah, when they describe the space for cars. Cut, reduce, yeah. Okay, Ngọc, and the final verb is for stay in the same. Remain, yeah, remain the same, hè. Nhưng mà mình chỉ nói là remain thôi, chứ đội mình nhận là remain the same, hả? Còn như lúc nãy Ngọc có dùng mình chỉ remain unchanged, ha, đều được, yeah. Great. Okay, good job. Rồi bây giờ mình quay trở lại bài của mình để xem thử mọi người sẽ viết phần body như thế nào đây. Mình sẽ cùng phân tích ha, xem thử là mọi người sẽ viết như thế nào. Thực ra là lúc nãy khi mà mọi người chia vào cái là chữ overview ha, đâu đấy. Overview lúc mà mọi người đề cập tới ok là có là chỉ construction, new facilities. Mà mình gọi là facilities liên quan tới learning, leisure, rồi xong là lúc nãy của Ngọc với trường Ngọc có đề cập tới là gì nữa? Car park. Đấy, thì tức là mình cũng dựa vào cái phần là chỉ là overview để tiểu mình biết cho cái phần body phải không hả? Nhắc tới learning như thế nào, leisure thì leisure của mi là tương đương với sports facility của Ngọc đó hả? Car park. Đấy. Ở đây là những cái còn lại ở đây mình có thêm cái phần là những cái còn lại thì mình cho vào luôn cái là green spaces. Đấy. Thì bây giờ mọi người viết lại phần body cho bài này hả? Và mình nhớ khi sử dụng nó thì hiện tại hoàn thành để mình nhận mạnh hả? cái thay đổi mà diễn ra trong quá khứ và để lại kết quả hiện tại. Đấy. Khi nào mà có chữ một mốc trong quá khứ và đem lại hiện tại là mình sẽ dùng là hiện tại hoàn thành liền hay. Đấy. Ok, rồi về nhà mọi người áp dụng những động từ lúc này á để mình đưa vào cái bài của mình. Ok, rồi thì mọi người về nhà cứ viết thử nhé.